Very good morning, student. I am Anshul Sharma, your biology teacher, and in this lecture, in this video, we are going to discuss another topic in chapter number 4 of 12th biology, that is population explosion. The population explosion term is made up of two words. The one is population. Population word here means the number of human beings, and explosion word represent the excessive or rapid growth. So population explosion term means that the human population, the number of humans are increasing at an explosive rate, at an enormous rate. एक्चुअली आप लोगों ने अपने घरों के आसपास भी देखा होगा कि पिछले 10 सालों में जिन जगहों पे मकान नहीं थे, बाज़ार नहीं थे, ट्रैफिक नहीं देखने को मिलता था, पिछले 10 सालों में उन जगहों पे अब मकान भी बन गए हैं, ट्रैफिक भी दिखाई देने लगा है, बाज़ार भी बन गए हैं. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल ड्यू टू द पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन. दिस हैपन्स ड्यू टू द excessive increase in human population. What is the magnitude of population increase all over the world? We can see some of the datas. In 1900 में the world population size is around 2 billion. 2 अरब human population थी पूरे world की, but within 1 century, in the last century, till the 2000, the world population from 2 billion become the 6 billion. That means ये 3 गुना बढ़ गई. And similar kind of trends are seen in India also. When India get independence in 1945, the human population in India is around 35 millions. भारत की जनसंख्या उस समय 35 करोड़ थी, but at the time of 2000 आते आते the human population in India become 1 billion. That means 1 अरब human population इंडिया की होगी. तो you can see within last century the human population in all over the world and even in India is increasing at an explosive rate and becoming increasing manifold. The world population is 6 billion and the human population in India is 1 billion. That means in 2000 every 6th person of this world is an Indian. हर छठा आदमी इस दुनिया में एक इंडियन है. और केवल इतना ही नहीं, according to the 2001 census report, census is a procedure by which we count the human population in our country, जिसको हम जनगणना भी बोलते हैं. So according to 2001 census report, the human population growth rate in India is 1.7 per year. दैट मीन्स हर एक साल हर एक हज़ार आदमी पे 17 आदमी बढ़ रहे हैं. एंड एट दिस रेट वी कैन डबल आवर पॉपुलेशन इन नेक्स्ट 33 ईयर्स. अगले 33 साल तक अगर हम इसी रेट से अपनी पॉपुलेशन को बढ़ाते रहते हैं तो अगले 33 साल में हमारी पॉपुलेशन 1 बिलियन से 2 बिलियन हो जाएगी. एंड दैट इज़ अ अलार्मिंग रेट. So by this all discussion we comes to a conclusion in world and as well as in India, the human population is increasing at an alarming rate and that could adversely impact our environment as well as our life. To understand what is the cause behind this rapid increase in human population, we has to understand what is population growth and what are the factors that affect the population growth. So term population growth represents the increase in number of individual in a population, and there are two main factors that affect the population growth. The first is the birth rate, that means the rate at which the new individuals are added to the population represented by B, and the second is the death rate, that means the rate at which the individuals are removed from that population due to the death, represented by D. So the population growth rate that is represented by small r is equals to B minus D. The birth rate minus death rate, that will be the rate at which the population is increasing. So if the value of B increase and if the value of D decrease, that means if the value of birth rate increase in a population or the value of death rate decrease in a population, then automatically the value of R will increase. That means the population growth rate will increase and that may leads to the increase in size of population. So that is the reason how a population increase in size. Now let's understand what are the causes behind the population explosion of humans. As you know, in last century several advancement takes place in different areas और इसी तरह के एडवांसमेंट हमारे मेडिकल साइंस के एरिया में भी हुए हैं, जिसके से हमारे पास नई नई मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़, नए नए टेस्ट आ गए हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम बहुत सारे डिजीज़ को अब इफ़ेक्टिवली ट्रीट कर पाते हैं. And due to this advancement in the fields of medicines, what happens, there is a rapid decline in death rate or mortality rate of human population. हमारे पास अच्छी अच्छी मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ आ गई हैं. आज से काफ़ी टाइम पहले फीमेल आफ्टर गिविंग अ बर्थ टू अ चाइल्ड, उसका सर्वाइव करना पॉसिबल हो ये पक्का नहीं होता था, क्योंकि मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ ऐसी नहीं थी, मेडिकली असिस्टेड बर्थ नहीं होते थे. एंड सिमिलरली जो बच्चा पैदा होता था उसका इम्यूनाइजेशन नहीं होता था, जिसकी वजह से उसके भी एक छोटी एज में 1 साल तक की उम्र में मरने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होते थे. बट पिछले 1 सेंचुरी में, बिकॉज वी हैव सेवरल एडवांसमेंट इन मेडिकल साइंस, द proper care of mother is happening there, and proper care of infant and immunization of infant is happening there, and due to these reason the overall death rate of human population is declined in the last century. The maternal mortality rate, MMR, is also declined in the last century, and infant mortality rate is also declined in the last century. And as you know, if the death rate decrease, then automatically the value of R will increase, that is the growth rate. And that is why in the last century, due to the decline in these death rates, in these mortality rate, the human population's growth rate increases, that leads to the increase in the human population size. The next cause is the increased life expectancy. Due to the advancement in several fields, our lifestyle and life status increase also. And due to the increased or high level of life, the life expectancy, that means the expected age जहाँ तक कि एक ह्यूमन जी सकता है वो बढ़ गया है. लाइफ स्पैन एंड लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी, दीज आर द टू डिफरेंट थिंग. लाइफ स्पैन इज अ एज, इज अ टाइम पीरियड जहाँ तक किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म को जिंदा रहना चाहिए, एंड लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी दैट मीन्स कहाँ तक वो जी सकता है. तो क्योंकि हमारे बहुत सारे फील्ड में एडवांसमेंट हो गया और उस एडवांसमेंट की वजह से हमारी ह्यूमंस की लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी भी अब इंक्रीज हो गई है, जिससे डेथ रेट फर्दर डिक्लाइन हुआ है और उससे आर वैल्यू ग्रोथ रेट इंक्रीज हो गया है. In any population, the members that are constituting that population can belongs to three groups. The first is the pre-reproductive group, that means young ones. The reproductive group, that means the adult one, and the post reproductive group, that means जो बूढ़े हैं, जो senescent stage में. So if a population is having the high number of pre-reproductive and reproductive organism and less number of post reproductive organism, then automatically the number of reproductive organism in that population is high, and that is why this population is having a large potential to increase in size. So this is another reason why the population is increasing in world. The increased number of people in reproductive age, the composition of human population in world and even in India at this time is like that कि इस समय human